We're working on our project Delica, and here I have different column switches. That's how Mitsubishi calls them. This one, as you can see, has a clock spring. And are they the same? Can you swap them around? What differences are? If you move 95 to 94, will all function work? Let's find it out. I will tell you what I know and what I found. And yeah, it will be interesting video, and I hope it's informational, might be useful to someone. Let's get started. This video is addition and related to our column switch, turn signal, light switch repair video, which we're doing on our 94 project Mitsubishi Delica. According to the Delica service repair manual, we have vehicles without airbags and vehicles with airbags. This is just a schematic. In general, yeah, we have two different ones. And what if you cannot find exactly the same column switch for your year, and you came across switch from 95, you have 94, or you have 95, 94, and you have this type, and can you make this column switch work on earlier models? Answer: what I found, yes. I will show you what worked for me. This video is only for demonstration purposes, and yeah, it's quite interesting differences. And will all functions work? We'll show you and tell you what I found. Okay, this one came from 98 Delica. This one's came from 95 Delica. This one's from 95. This is just for parts. It's broken, but tons of good components we can still harvest from it. And this guy is from my 94 Mitsubishi Delica project. Video will be down in the description below. And also I'm fixing the issue with the broken turn signal control. And yeah, check it out. Will be caught up there. In this video, we're going to see what differences are, and they will tell you what I found. Okay, as you can see here, two broken ones. This one I call the modular type, and this guy, same with that, is one piece assembly. What it means with the modular type column switch, you can just undo two screws, pull this block out, get a new one in, put it back, screws back, connect your electrical connector, harness is all assembled, and you're good to go. With this one, unfortunately, you have to replace entire assembly because it comes as a one component, as you can see on the bottom. Let's get me this one for better demonstration. It has this white plastic root to the housing to put all those inner components together, but you cannot go the same way. Unfortunately, I believe everything's doable. If you have lots of time and passion, you can just tear all this apart and swap the components. But we're not going to do it right now. Not quite interesting. What is another difference? This guy has called the steering wheel pickup sensor, also known as a steering wheel ABS sensor. This guy doesn't have it. It just comes like that. And the newer 98 one has this sensor as well. Can we just remove the clock spring, put this one on 94 Delica, and good to go? Yes and no, because you want to have your horn working. To make horn work, we have to swap this horn spring connector, connecting horn spring to our replacement module. As you can see here, this wire connects to the back. Over here there's a metal blade pin, and that will be the fix, because on newer we have our clock spring, and here's our horn wire. There's two wires for airbag application. If you looked on 94 and 95, this is one piece unit and this is modular, and there's different way they connect the steering wheel horn switch to the column switch. There's a metal plate spring like this, can run in on the back side of the steering wheel, and on 95 we have a stud, spring-loaded stud, and yeah, the same concept, same idea. They all both work good, they're reliable, and yeah, pretty cool. And as you can see on this one, you cannot put a stud, and they're just different way they are. There's another question: can you just put a column switch from 95 Delica, this type, there's a one-piece assembly, to your 94 Delica? Yes, you can. I would like to save the steering switch from 95, and we'll just take one part from 98, and this base is the same. It'll work. We'll get our vehicle fixed, and we're just taking one module, put into 94. And well, if you have this modular type column switch, you don't have to remove the steering wheel and remove the assembly completely. You just have to undo those two screws and disconnect the electrical connector from the bottom, and you should be good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below, and yeah, see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.